Welcome to Body Sculpt, your guide to a healthier and more balanced life. In today's episode, we delve into the world of Hatha Yoga, a practice that brings harmony to the body and mind. Hatha Yoga is one of the most popular and accessible forms of yoga, making it perfect for beginners and experienced practitioners alike. Hatha Yoga focuses on the physical postures, also known as asanas, and the breath control techniques, called pranayama. The word hatha comes from the Sanskrit terms ha meaning sun and tyeche meaning moon, symbolizing the union of opposing forces within us. This yoga style aims to balance and harmonize these forces, creating a sense of equilibrium in Hatha Yoga. Each asana is designed to improve strength, flexibility, and balance. As you flow through the poses, you'll notice the gentle stretching and strengthening of your muscles, while enhancing your overall body awareness. The deliberate and controlled movements in Hatha Yoga promote mindfulness, allowing you to be fully present in the moment. Hatha Yoga places a strong emphasis on pranayama, or breath control. Through conscious breathing, you can deepen your connection with your body and calm the mind. By taking slow, deep breaths, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps to reduce stress and anxiety. Now, let's explore some common Hatha Yoga poses that you can incorporate into your practice. Remember to listen to your body and modify the poses to suit your individual needs. Number 1, Mountain Pose. Tadasana. Stand tall with your feet grounded, shoulders relaxed, and palms facing forward. This foundational pose helps to improve posture and build stability. Number 2, Downward Facing Dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Start on your hands and knees, then lift your hips toward the sky, forming an inverted V shape. This pose stretches the hamstrings, lengthens the spine, and strengthens the upper body. Number 3, Warrior 2. Virabhadrasana. 2. Step your feet wide apart, turn one foot out, and bend your front knee. Extend your arms out to the sides, parallel to the floor. Warrior 2 strengthens the legs, opens the hips, and cultivates focus. Number 4, Tree Pose. Vrksasana. Stand tall and bring one foot to the inner thigh of the opposite leg. Balance on one leg while keeping your spine tall. This pose improves balance, concentration, and strengthens the leg muscles. Number 5, Child's Pose. Balasana. Kneel on the floor, then sit back on your heels and fold forward, resting your forehead on the mat. Child's Pose promotes relaxation, releases tension in the back, and calms the mind. These are just a few examples of the many Hatha Yoga poses you can explore. Remember, it's important to approach your practice with patience and self-compassion. As you progress, you can challenge yourself with more advanced poses and longer hold times. Finally, no Hatha Yoga practice is complete without Savasana, or corpse pose. Lie on your back, arms by your sides, and surrender to complete relaxation. Savasana allows your body and mind to integrate the benefits of your practice, leaving you feeling rejuvenated and centered. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of Hatha Yoga. Remember to listen to your body, breathe deeply, and embrace the present moment. Join us next time as we continue our journey towards a healthier, more balanced you. Until then, keep practicing and stay connected to your body and mind.